Yep. All right, so now I'm basically running the machine without the dough at the moment so that you can see the operation. As you can see, for the dividing unit, it goes up and down. And as you can see, for the moment, there's no dough in the machine, so the pistons will not come out until there's dough in the machine where the hydraulic ram will push it into the pistons. But I wanted to show you the operation. It's pretty simple. Basically, as mentioned, this dividing unit goes up and down. You can see these cam followers rest on a little block. You can see how basically there's a cam down here that makes it go up and down as it turns. You can see in here that here is the drum, and as the unit does turn, and it'll drop the dough piece again into the drum, and that unit keeps turning. And of course, as it does, it goes against the belt so that the dough is compressed, and then it'll come out on the bottom here when the dough pieces feed out. Also, you can see now how the hydraulic ram, it's all timed that basically as the machine runs, the ram's going to go back and forth. And of course, once dough is in the machine, it's going to push that dough into those piston pockets. And if you look down into the hollow of the drum, you can see in the hole there how the drum oscillates behind, and this is how on the smaller pieces that it does the rounding, by that oscillation there. Again, you can see, I think you can see it, it's doing a kind of like a rounding turn inside the drum. Then the machine, as that conveyor is running, as you can see, slowly, basically it is chained, this machine is chained to the proofer. So it is also driving the proofer. You can also see the mechanism on that same thing for the flouring unit. And of course you can see the trays, move, advance through the system. I'll come over here to the side. You can see obviously, as I was talking about, that the trays run up and down, so that they go through a full rotation before they transfer into the next pocket via this chute system right here. And let's see what else. Basically, that is the operation. Of course, once it goes to the last chute on the chute feed, again, it's either going to drop on this outfeed conveyor, or it can be diverted to that chute system. Again, also, as you can see, as this runs, that oiler drops oil into each side, so it again oils that hydraulic steel ram. And on the other side, you can see the hose here, so it oils the dividing unit. So, because obviously there are still metal parts. And the other thing I forgot to mention, you can see that there's a knob here. So once you set this unit, you can fine-tune the scaling range by adjusting the knob. That's what determines how much this will come in and out for the pistons. All right, anything else will be provided via the manuals. Thank you.